Welcome to News Movement English. I am Shiny Day. Let's start today's news.
Hello viewers, today is Friday. Now we are going to present something different. First is an app to get justice at the earliest. Secondly is about Duare Sarkar. And third is the care of fooding during pandemic. In the last, we have a poem in respective languages for our channel like Hindi, Urdu, English and Bengali. I hope you like this video. Now you can apply for legal aid from anywhere in the country through an app on your phone in a matter of seconds. Yes, the National Legal Service Authority of India, that is NALSA, has launched Legal Aid Service app. The Chief Justice N.V. Raman, while launching the app, said that it is necessary to disseminate information about the constitutional right to legal aid and the availability of free legal aid services. Chief Justice of India N.V. Raman further says that achieving justice in India is not just an aspirational goal. To make this is a practical reality, we need to work together with different organs of the government. These features will be in the app. With the help of Legal Aid app, you will be able to get quick and assured legal services. Talking about its features, through this app, beneficiaries can apply for legal aid, track applications, get clarification, etc. With this, in the legal aid application, you can track your personal details, which application you have filled, their details, case details, along with your application through diary number. You can apply for compensation yourself. Now, if someone has to apply for compensation, then many rounds have to be made. But victims of the legal aid app can also apply for compensation themselves. For this, the FIR and the other necessary documents will have to be uploaded. If you have any query, you can also directly talk to the national helpline number by dialing 15100. Apart from the national and state level, the notification of the legal authority at the district and talukdar level will also be available on this. Information about this app will be given through billboards at prominent places in every post office and the police station of the country. How can you apply? If someone wants to apply for legal aid, then after opening the app, you will be asked for whom you want to apply, like NALSA, High Court Legal Services Committee, Supreme Court Legal Committee, District Legal Service Authority, Talukdar Legal Service Authority, or any other choice. After this, the basic details will have to be filled and the details of the opposite party will also have to be filled. Let us tell you, more than 300 organizations of the country have been linked to the app. At present, this app is available in phones, but soon it will be expanded also. It will also be available in local languages in 2 months. Also, it will be available to run in iOS operating phones as well. You will not have to do the rush and hustle and bustle of the court. Since here you are getting all the information through mobile phone, then there will be no hesitation, rush and any kind of hustle and bustle. Answers to many small problems and questions will be found sitting at your home from this app itself. According to Justice N.V. Raman, the access of the service to crores of complaints through this mobile app will prove to be a milestone in the judicial service journey of the country.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. देश का पानी देशवासियों के लिए. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
If you have not got the benefit of government schemes last time, you have not been able to take advantage of Duare Sarkar camp, then be ready. Last time from 16 August, Duare Sarkar camp will start again. But this time, more services and facilities will be available. At the same time, the number of camps is being increased at the borough level in the municipal corporation. This time there will be special emphasis on Lakshmi Vandar. This time, along with 12 schemes, Mamata government will make available many other facilities at the doorstep of the people. Before the election, more than 1.5 crore people were provided facilities to the people of Bengal by organizing 20,000 Dware Sarkar camps in 4 phases. Counting all the achievements of her government in her master stroke, she put 11 government schemes on the ground simultaneously. Through the program organized by the government in 4 phases, about 20,000 camps were organized in the entire state and reaching people's homes. The benefits were directly delivered to the people. Now, after coming to the power for the third time again, the government will run from the panchayat level of the state to the municipal corporation. Administrative sources said that camps will be organized in every panchayat, municipal corporation, BDO and SDO office of Dware Sarkar district. Through these camps, there will be special emphasis on all government schemes, food partners, health partner, Shikshasri, Jai Johar, Tapasiri Bandhu, Kanyasri, Rupasri, Aikasri, caste certificate. Along with this, new schemes like Lakshmi Vandar student credit card, Krishak Bandhu schemes, mutation of agricultural land and rectification of minor mistakes in records, opening of new bank accounts when Aadhaar card related assistance will also be available. Beneficiaries will be able to apply for the schemes here. She told that all the beneficiaries who are deprived of government schemes here will be able to apply. Along with this, detailed information related to the scheme will be given to them so that they can apply with accurate documents. Dware Sarkar in Asansol Municipal Corporation area where camps were held last time. They will be camped again at the same places apart from this. Additional camps will also be set up. At least 2 additional camps will be set up in each borough. The first phase of this scheme Dware Sarkar will be from 16 August, while the second phase from September 1 to September 15. The Dware Sarkar Yojana is being launched by the state government from Tuesday to take various government schemes to the people. Preparations are also being made for this by the West Bardhaman District Administration. Forms will be given from 16 August to 15 September. Scrutiny of application will be held from 8 to 23 September. And the facilities will be provided to the beneficiaries from September 24th to 30th.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। गेट अप टू 50% स्कॉलरशिप फॉर सेशन 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434 822.
World Health Organization states that eating a healthy diet is very important during the COVID-19 pandemic. It also states that what we eat and drink can affect our body's ability to prevent, fight and recover from infections. Time and again, experts have also highlighted the importance of having a nutritious diet in COVID-19 times. WHO says, while no foods or dietary supplements can prevent or cure COVID-19 infection, healthy diets are important for supporting our immune systems. Here are some of the tips suggested by WHO for maintaining a healthy diet at home. Ensure you eat a variety of food including fruits and vegetables. WHO says that every day one should eat a mix of whole grains like wheat, maize and rice, legumes like lentils and beans, plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, with some foods from animal source like meat, fish, eggs and milk. One should choose whole grain food like unprocessed maize, millet, oats, wheat and brown rice when they can. They are rich in valuable fibers and can help you feel full for longer. For snacks, choose raw vegetables, fresh fruits and unsalted nuts. Cut back on salts. As per WHO, one should limit their salt intake to 5 grams, which is equivalent to a teaspoon a day. One of the basic tips one should follow while cooking and preparing foods is use salt sparingly and reduce use of salty sauce and condiments. Another is to remove the salt shaker from the table and experiment with fresh or dried herbs and spices for added flavor instead. Eat moderate amounts of fats and oils. Who states that one should replace butter, ghee, and lard with healthier fats like olive, soy, sunflower, or corn oil when cooking. Secondly, choose white meats like poultry and fish, which are generally low in fats than red meat. Select low fat or reduced fat version of milk and dietary products. Avoid processed, baked, and fried foods that contain industrially products trans fats. Lastly, if possible, one should try steaming or boiling instead of frying food when cooking. Limit sugar intake. Limit intake of sweets and sugary drinks such as fizzy drinks. Instead, choose fruits. Ditch sweet snacks such as cookies, cakes, and chocolates. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water. Good hydration is crucial for optimal health. Drinking water instead of sugar sweetening beverages is a simple way to limit your intake of sugar and excess calories. Avoid hazardous and harmful alcohol use. Alcohol is not a part of a healthy diet. Drinking alcohol does not protect against COVID-19 and can be dangerous. Frequent or excessive alcohol consumption increases your immediate risk of injury as well as causing longer term effects like liver damage, cancer, heart disease, and mental illness. There is no safe level of alcohol consumption. Tips for food safety during COVID-19. Who says that there is no evidence that COVID-19 can be spread through contact with food or food packaging. COVID-19 is generally through to spread from person to person. However, who states that it's always important to practice good hygiene when handling foods. Here are whose 5 keys to safer food. Keep clean, separate raw and cooked, cook thoroughly, keep food at safe temperature, use safe water.
Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830.
Today's poem, English Rose, Matthew Holloway. What tender beauty lays before me. I call her my English rose. Lips red like petals and as soft, earthen eyes I could sink into. Breathless I look on, captivated, if only I could breathe in her scent. Lay my head upon her bosom and sleep against the softest skin. How beautiful my English rose! How strong this feeling pines at my thoughts into my soul. Here is a beauty unlike any other, tenderly sweet before my eye. I could hold this picture forever and forever love my English rose.
News Movement Present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi.
Today's SMS of the moment. Be yourself. If others don't like it, then let them be. Happiness is a choice. Life is not. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.